So you guys know how I love doing destructive analysis, and I have a security system, 12 volt. It pulls about 1 amp when the cameras are working during the day, and then at night I get about maybe 1.5, 2 amps. So I specified a little $12 power supply off Amazon, real nice here. I've been running good for about 9 months or 10 months, and then it started making noise and putting a lot of interference on my cameras. I isolated it using my other power supply, and got with the manufacturer on Amazon. He said, "Hey man, good 1 year warranty. You don't have to return it. You can just I'll send you a new one." So I'm kind of waiting for that thing to come through. And I had my AC line going here, and then DC picked off. So it had been squealing. So I just said, "Hey, let me open the lid, the RF shielding, and take a look at it." And I don't know, can anyone out there in the comments have any idea what's wrong? And for those that may not know, it's kind of a joke because you see some paper hanging out of this capacitor can. And so I said, "Wow, that's amazing." And I just lifted it up, and the can just comes off cleanly. So there you have it. The question I have to the real smart guys, electrical guys, everything else obviously works on the board. Would I be smart to have a nice, good spare that's been burned in just by replacing this cap and saving it? Or is it not worth $12 and the labor to take to do it? All right, thanks.